Alright, Lance Davis here. Today I'm going to be Winnie the Pooh and get these bees out of here. This is inside of a bedroom of a home. Hopefully we'll have a nice little bit of honey and save these bees. I'm not going to use any smoke. It's important to keep the bees under control, but sometimes we just got to urge them emotionally to stay calm. We'll see what happens. This is live as far as I'm not making takes and trying to smoke them first or anything because it's inside somebody's home. I don't want the whole bedroom to smell like smoke, so let's see what we can do. I'm going to open it up now. Here we go. Trusty hive tool. All right, little bees, it's only me, a little rain cloud here. These bees can get very cantankerous, and I have no recourse against them. All right, I guess my phone failed me and decided to go to sleep. But anyway, that's typical. Anyway, it was beautiful. I opened it up. Everything's fine. The bees are nice and calm. Here's the beehive right inside this home here. No smoke. I'm using no smoke. It's important not to use any smoke. See? It needs to open up a little wider, but that's where the drywall broke. And that's fine. That's just fine. Look at that. Look at all those baby bees. They're just hatching out, so it's been here maybe 21 days. I'm going to get the owners and see what they think. Pretty cool. Back at you later. Stay tuned for updates. This is going to be cool. Alright, this is Lance Davis here. Got another job on a construction site. It's all lath, ready for stucco. We're on the other side, same way. This is a new place called The Vibe here in Palm Springs, California. And here to take these bees out of here alive. I just cut into this because I really wanted to figure out what's going on and want to make sure I expose the entire beehive. Let's just take a look and see what's going on here. This is going to be interesting. They say these this beehive has been here about a day or two. Let's take a look. Sure, one day. Oh, there we go. I think it's been here longer than a day. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's a nice beehive. All right. Been here about 5 weeks, to be honest with you guys. At least 5 weeks. Yeah. Alrighty. I got some fans flying around my head, so I'm going to go ahead and get busy, use a little smoke, get them under control, because they're trying to sting my nose. Anyway, you take care, and we'll see you later, or next time. I'll see what I can do about getting you guys an update. See you later. Bye-bye. There's the queen. Oh, there you go. See her? Uh-huh. Yeah. There she is. She's the mother of the colony.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I also read that, when you actually take them out, you gotta make sure you get the queen.
Yeah, I got her right there.
Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll grab her. Put this right here. This is going to be a nice little beehive for us.
She doesn't sting?
She can't, her sting is not strong enough to go through our hide.
Really?
So like this. I'll clip her wings. I clipped her wings, see? Now she can't fly. A little upset.
There you go.
She's a nice one. Look how chubby she is. That's good. That's a good sign of a good queen. She's going to be a good egg layer. And her brood pattern is really pretty good, so it should be okay.
Wow.
9. All safe? Yep, they're all safe. And the queen's in there. She's the orange one, if you can find her.
Yeah,
We clipped her wing.
yeah, exactly. Got her wing clipped. Here. Yeah.
On Tava Lane. Got to get this beehive out of here. And here's what I found underneath this piece of plywood. Actually, it's OSB. Oh boy! How's that for a nice sized beehive? This is Lance, the bee catcher. Taking the sting so you don't have to. Ouch, right in the eye. Yikes. Eddie's down there, ready to go when we take this downstairs, and I'm going to clean it all up.